Hello guys, this is Edward from HKExcel. So if you're second year of IB and you're watching this video right now, you're probably very busy with your IB mock preparation, right? So basically in this short video, I'm going to help you out and I'll give you 3 tips on how to effectively prepare your IB mock exam. So the first tip is to do the most recent 2 years of past paper questions. So basically it's 2016 and 2017. So no matter you're doing science subjects or humanities subjects, focus on the most recent 2 years. The reason behind this is that because school don't want to give you outdated questions, right? So obviously they will choose the most updated one. So that is obviously 2017, right? But that is not enough to combine together to be one whole paper because some of the topics they still haven't finished it yet, so they cannot put the questions into the mock paper, right? So in that case, and they will choose 2016. So it's also updated and also fit to the trend. So basically, they will combine this 2 years. But of course, if you have time, then you can do 2015, 2014, in this pattern, okay, instead of other way around, yeah. And secondly, they don't use the questions from the old paper because they probably have used it in the unit test before, right? So basically, to avoid that, then just use the most updated questions. Then would be more convenient for them. So focus mainly on the recent trend. Recent questions. So that is the first tip. And second tip, it will be more micro. So that means it's more about the approach doing the paper. So because you only got a few days left, so it's not possible for you to do all the paper year by year. Okay, you might not get enough time. So maybe some of you watching the video right now, but you will have mock after 2 days, right? So in that case, how do you prepare your paper more efficiently and effectively, right? So I would suggest you to do the long question first instead of the short question. So in the past, when you revise, when you first get into this topic, you do the short question, you do the multiple choice question, and then you do the long questions, right? Because usually the long question is harder. But this time I'll reverse the order. The reason why is that you're trying to revise as much as possible with a given time. So by doing long question, you can learn more. So because they're usually harder, right? So in that case, let's say if you're doing math, so you do a vector question from maybe section A, so you only get 6 marks from that, and then you don't have a lot to learn. But if you do a section B questions, so which is a 15-mark questions, so A, B, C, D questions, maybe the A, B part already covered the concept that you require for section A, right? And the C, D would be harder, so that is kind of the trick to boost up your grade. So if you cannot handle CD part, then probably you cannot get 6 or 7, right? So that's why I would suggest you for any other subjects, you can do the harder and then long question first. So do as many questions as possible. Of course, don't do the textbook questions, do the past paper question, right? So which is exam oriented. The final tip for this video is that don't treat your IB mock exam grade as a final grade, okay? So that means if you're aiming at level 7, you finally end up with a mock results, let's say a level 5, it doesn't mean the end of the world. So that means you still got chance. You need to revise. You need to revise more and then do more paper to get your grade boost up. So basically, I personally witnessed a student who got level 1 in one subject, and then he finally got boost up 5 grades, level 6 in the final IB exam. So no one can get any lower than level 1, right? So if you're getting level 2 or 3, it's fine. Even level 1 student can get to a level 6. So if you're getting a level 2, of course, there's chance for you to get a level 7, yeah? So if you use the right studying approach. So I hope the video would help you to get more well prepared in your IB mock exam. So if you're interested in getting most recent year questions, you can download at the link below. And if you're a Hong Kong student and if you're interested in free trial lesson, you can sign up at HKExcel.com. So hope to see you in our center.